Good morning, children. Welcome to the GK class. In the last class, we read about reading signs. No? And today we are going to do page number 65, lesson number 43, quiz 3. Okay? Page number 65. In this, there are different types of questions. All the lessons which you have read, it has the summary of it. It has mixed all the questions. In this lesson, there are mixed questions. Okay, so we will read the questions and we will take the correct answer. Remember, when you will put tick upon the letter which is written, okay, not to the left side, not to the right side of the word, to the left side where the letter ABC is written. Read. Who lives in Toyland? This is cartoon, okay, this is related to cartoons. Who lives in Toyland? You see cartoons now? So tell me, who lives in Toyland? Mickey Mouse or Mother Goose or Noddy? Noddy lives in Toyland. Put right here, not here, okay? Whose dog is rough? This is also related to cartoons. Whose dog is rough? Noddy, Dennis the Menace, Tintin. Noddy, Dennis the Menace or Tintin? Dennis the Menace. Okay. Which of these is not used in Ludo? Ludo is a game. And which these things are not used? Striker or counter or dice. Dice से तो खेलते हैं, so dice is used. Counter is also there. Striker is not there. Striker is used in carom board, है ना? So striker is not used in Ludo. The pips or the dots on any two opposite faces of a dice. Dice through which we play now. With the help of dice we play. So what? Any two opposite डॉट्स एनी टू ऑपोजिट फेसेस ऑफ अ डाइस. उसके 4 फेसेस होते हैं, नहीं 6 फेसेस होते हैं, सॉरी, डाइस के 6 फेसेस होते हैं. 2 साइड्स के डॉट्स मिलाने पर क्या आता है? 2 साइड्स के डॉट्स को हम टोटल करेंगे, काउंट करेंगे, कोई भी 2 साइड्स के, तो क्या नंबर आएगा? द डॉट्स ऑन एनी 2 ऑपोजिट फेसेस ऑफ अ डाइस एड अप टू 7. आप देखना, आपके घर में डाइस है, आप उसको 2 साइड्स, कोई भी 2 साइड्स के डॉट्स को ऐड करके देखना व्हाट नंबर कम्स. विच 2 बिलोंग टू द सेम सेट? स्पून, 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 नाइफ. नाउ देखने से क्या लग रहा है कि सेट में कौन एक जैसा है? M and O. M and O आर लुकिंग सेम, सो दिस इज द करेक्ट. Who is she dressed as? This is a picture of Cinderella or Goldilocks or Snow White. This is a picture of Snow White. Who is he dressed as? Batman, Superman or Strongman? Superman. Batman तो black dress करता है ना? Now tell the next question answer. Butterflies taste with their feelers. Feelers are their antennas. Feet or wings? Feet. They taste with their feet. They don't have tongue. They taste with their feet. Index, middle, ring and little are names of index, middle, ring and little. See, they are fingers. They are fingers. Index, middle, little and thumb. They are fingers. Pick the odd one out. कचौड़ी, गोलगप्पा और पानी पूरी. गोलगप्पा, पानी पूरी are same. जिसमें पानी भर के हप्पू करके we used to eat ना. We open a big mouth to eat गोलगप्पा and पानी पूरी full of water, है ना, sour water. So kachori is different. Kachori is like puri, we eat with sabji, potato sabji. This is a picture of dinosaur or buffalo or rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros, rhino. Okay. Which one has dragon as part of its name? This is grasshopper. This is a kind of insect which crawls caterpillar sort, no? Is it looking caterpillar? Caterpillar sort. This is dragonfly. So, which one has dragon as part of its name? This is dragonfly. So, it is known as dragonfly. Okay. So, this number is R. We will tick R here. What form of transport is this? Which transport is this? Two big wheels. This is at olden time. This kind of rickshaw used to be used. This is a transport rickshaw. Okay, and it is used or it was used in olden days. Okay, ancient time, olden days. This type of rickshaw was used. So this is rickshaw. Which is the longest river in India? Which is the longest river in India? Yamuna or Ganges? Ganges. Ganges is Ganga. Ganges we say in English, and Hindi we say Ganga. Pick India's neighbor, USA or Singapore or Bhutan. USA, Singapore or Bhutan. Bhutan is the neighbor of India. Which city is not in India? Karachi, Kochi or Ranchi? Ranchi and Kochi are in India. They are the part of India. But Karachi is not in India, it is in Pakistan. Okay, Karachi is the capital of Pakistan. Okay, okay children, do this work, page number 65 and 66. This is the last lesson. After this work, in the next class, we will do revisions. We will learn the question answers, we will learn the spellings, and we will write also. Okay, we will do a lot of revision work. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye children.